Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance, and today I'm going to kind of do a first look. It's not going to be a tool review per se, as this is for a Milwaukee product, but it's not a strictly Milwaukee product. And I want to thank Parts 795 for bringing the Milwaukee air tip stuff to my attention. I'd kind of heard about them a little bit, but I actually hadn't looked into it. I thought it was just, vacuum attachments, just your standard ones. This Milwaukee was coming out with these. But you can see that it says air tipped, and it is trade focused vacuum accessories. So they've got all kinds of these things. And as I started looking through them, there's several of them that I will probably end up getting over the course of time. But this set here, I thought this is going to be something that I wanted to look into. This is their long reach flexible hose, micro hose set. And you have probably over the course of working, took some plumbing fittings and some electrical tape and some flexible hose. You've probably even made yourself vacuum attachments like this, and you obviously can do that. But I think there's several situations that you'll run into where something like this would be helpful, might be a nice thing to get you out of a pinch, or it just works really well in some situations, whatever you're doing. But I want to kind of unbox these and go over them, and then I'll talk about maybe some uses for them as far as how I'm going to be able to use them. But again, it just depends on what trade you're in, what kind of work you do. But I'm sure as I look at them, you're going to see some things about them and say, I could really use that in this situation in the work that I do. So the first thing I noticed is it comes with a super nice case right out the box. Says Milwaukee air tip on it there. Just a normal, probably canvasy type case. The same thing that they make the tool bags out of. I do like the fact that they do give you a case with this set, because I would find it hard to, figure out ways to come up with some way to store all these little hoses and things like that. Case measures roughly about 29.5 inches long, and then also about 3 inches deep, and we'll just say roughly 2 inches tall. So again, it's not real big. You can see it there in both my hands. Not extremely large. And again, this is not just a Milwaukee product, because as you can see, it works with all sorts of vacuums. Whether you have an 1 1/4 hose, 1 7/8 diameter hose, or a 2.5 inch diameter hose, you can use this on any vacuums. I've got my Festool vacuum right here. That's the one I'm going to put my hose in, as far as for just showing you a few things during this kind of look at the tool. And no matter what hose you got, these air tips will work on different size hoses. So you don't have to have the M18 vacuum or the Milwaukee vacuums. You can make this work with the vacuums you already own, as long as the hose diameter are those sizes. And the key to that is they give you this adapter that works so you can fit 1 1/4 hose inside of here, and then 1 7/8 hose goes on the outside of this ring, and then 2.5 inch hose fits on the inside of this as well. So here's an 1 1/4 that goes inside. Again, 1 7/8 would go on the outside of this. I don't have one of those with me, but I do have a 2.5 inch hose there, and you can see that this just goes directly on the outside of that as well. And if you do have a Festool hose where you've got this kind of an end on it, this is the one that goes with my vacuum. I use this on my track saw. If that's the only hose that you do have, that will fit inside of that 1 1/4, and you can get that to go inside of there as well. So you can use, I think maybe the Bosch might be very similar to this as well. I don't know. I don't have one of those hoses. But again, if you do have 1 1/4, 1 7/8, 2.5, this adapter makes this work with whatever vacuum hose you have. It does work with the Festool as well. So within the case, you not only get the adapter, but you get 5 different hoses, different flexible hoses at different lengths. You get 4 different sizes, 5 different lengths. You get a 1/4 inch that is 1 foot long. And with all these, you can see the measurement there along with the arrow. And then if you get out your adapter, this is the side that attaches to the vacuum. The other side, you have a slot with an arrow here. You just line up your arrow, turn, locks into place. And now I've got a small hose that I'm able to hook up to my vacuum. So then again, if I'm needing to get into, let's say, the tray on a HVAC unit to suck out some stuff out of there, or even maybe stick some of the mini splits right where you get to where the condensate line goes out the back of it outside. Sometimes that's really hard to get to. That's actually a lot of times I've made up a little thing to do that. Or maybe reaching down inside of your dryer as far as where you take that lint trap in and out. If you want to get down in there and vacuum some of that out, vacuum out the back side of a refrigerator, just all sorts of things. Maybe an auto mechanic. Again, I can think of several uses, and I've made up some of this stuff in the past just to get me out of a situation. Or maybe I just need to stick this down, that I've dropped something and I need to stick this hose on it. I can get enough suction to hold that into place and to pull it back out. But anyways, you get a 1/4 inch, 12-inch long hose. You also get a 5/8 inch. This one is 24 inches. You get a 3/8 inch, 24-inch hose. Then you also get a 3/8 inch, 12-inch long hose. And then a 1/2 inch, 12-inch long hose. So again, you get 5 different hoses of 4 different sizes. You got 3/8, you have a long and a short, and then also you get 1/2 inch, 5/8, and a 1/4 inch of different sizes there. But yeah, guys, this is, like I said, just kind of a first look to let you know that these products exist. I'll go ahead and suck up some things with it, but let me know in the comments how you would use this. I can see myself using it, again, like I said, in HVAC, sucking out trays for condensate, sucking the condensate lines, also cleaning out appliances, cleaning out dryer vents, carpentry. I can see sticking it inside of like where the sawdust gets stuck in my table saws and miter saws, very fine detailed work and mechanic work, or even inside your car, just detailing. Maybe you need to get in somewhere where you've dropped something down between your seats or something like that. I just think there's a lot of places where I'm going to be able to use something like this, and you know, I'd say it's going to last a pretty good long time. It's not going to be a heavy use product. It's one of them one-time purchases where I've just added something to my arsenal to where if I feel like there's some way that I could use these, I'll be able to do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my Festool vacuum. I'm gonna throw some stuff out here on the floor or on my tabletop here, and we'll see what that looks like as far as what kind of suction I can get off of it. All right, so I've attached the 3/8, just the 12-inch hose to the adapter, and then I've got the adapter on my 1.25 inch hose. Got that plugged in my Festool. I've just got some sawdust out here. I'm gonna suck that up. And then also just a little washer here. So let's say I drop that back in behind somewhere, and I want to be able to reach back in there and get it and get some suction on it so I can pull it out because I need it. It's a fastener or whatever it might be. So let's just see what this looks like. So again, you can see that worked well, but again, that your vacuum plays a big role in what it will suck up and what it won't suck up. But the bottom line is this is just some flexible vinyl hose that is quickly attached to your vacuum. Again, you can make this. So I know some of you is going to comment, well, I could easily make this. And I have before. I've taken vinyl hose like this, used some different electrical tapes and some different fittings to make it work onto my vacuum hose. But then when I'm done with that job, I've got to undo all that and all sorts of things. And then I've got to make it again maybe the next time I use it, unless I just had unlimited storage space and I could make up all sorts of weird things like that. But this is 4 different sizes, 5 different hoses, and a nice package with a nice case that whenever something rises, it's going to click in my head, wait a minute, I've got these vinyl tubes that I can put on my vacuum and I can suck up that thing I just dropped, or I can get into that tight space. I think that this is going to be one of those tools that I'm going to be glad I've got in the times that I need it. Am I going to use it all the time? Certainly not, but I think it's going to be extremely useful. But again, just kind of a first look, and maybe over the course of months, if I use it and I think about it, I'll make kind of a video of how I use this. But again, how you use it and how I use it could be 2 totally different things. It just depends on what you do each and every day. But I just wanted you to know that they were out there because, like I said, until Part 795 told me I should check out the air tips, I had no idea that Milwaukee had came out with this many different things. And check out what else they have. I mean, if you search Milwaukee air tip on HomeDepot.com, I mean, they've got option after options of all sorts of things. This won't be the last thing of that I buy. But let me know in the comments below if you think that you'll use this, if you think it's useful, and let me know if this was helpful to you in Let me know if you didn't even know that this was out there, and you'd be glad to get it. But let me know what you think about it. Also, if you've got them, let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and let all the other people know what you think about it as well, because you might have been using it longer than me, and you might have more feedback to give. Hope all is well. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you guys on the next video.